No, Nico, you're not at the right place. You're at the right company. I really believe being with Bitcoin TAF is where you should be in this time to learn.
It's just what I like is the range of knowledge that we also have here. I mean, from Cory's DeFi, I don't know anyone in the DeFi space, and I'm not because I know you, Cory, but the amount of knowledge you will gain from across DeFi to trading to everything that we have. You won't find it anywhere else.
The integrity of the founders, the people here, is the big thing, and that's where we lead by example. I've never found this anywhere else, and I still fail to find this anywhere else. And it makes it so much more special to me to be involved. And that's like, I fell in love with the vision in 2018, 2017. And even then, it was the only place I could find that people were honest and ethical and leading, like holding themselves accountable and holding themselves in a way that doesn't exist anymore. And it was how my father raised me. It was like, that was how the world used to be. The goal being in the right place, by the heart, wanting to do right by people, goes so much further than we can help anyone trade and make profits, but keeping those profits, doing something with those profits, building a life that you can be proud of and not need a vacation away from is something we've talked about for years. But it's always evolving, and that's where we continue to evolve with it. The education continues to evolve with it, but it's still, the mission is still the same, to retire people and help them live a life of freedom.
Paying it forward. What's his word? Paying it forward.
Paying it forward. Yeah. Being the solution that we want to see in the world. And there's no better feeling in the world. Like, it gives me, I don't know. There's never, no matter how hard it gets, like, there's no doubt in my mind that this is the place to be. As a service provider, as a trader.
Lives. There's no better thing, Cory, than changing lives. There's no better thing in this world. There's nothing that gets less.
Yeah. I'm not here to convince anyone of anything, but
I must say, Bitcoin TAF is like a family. I can't explain it. It's like you haven't seen your family for years, and then when you maybe go on a free call or a free webinar and you see the people and say, but I've missed you guys, I want to come back, It is just, for me, it is. Bitcoin TAF is a family. It's really, and I think that's why like you say, it pulls the right people. It pulls people that's got the same moral standards, and everything. So, and there's people that are here to learn, and you guys are here to like Nico say, pay it forward. You don't try to see what can you gain out of it, because you are the best. I mean, really, you guys are the best, and you just share your knowledge, and that we are forever grateful. So, thank you to. Each and everyone, even Marius, Marius don't have to do what he's doing. Really, he doesn't need to do what he's doing. Nope. Marius can retire long time ago, but his passion is not about money. His passion is about helping people.